This is a Washita Oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. The stone is 7 inches long by 1 and 25/32 of an inch wide by 31/32 of an inch thick, so practically an inch. The specific gravity, as calculated by a submersion method, is 2.26. So it's a real textbook example of one of these. It's been chemically stripped of its oil as well. It's been in chemical strip for about a week, actually. A lot of it's sweat out. Some might sweat in the heat of shipping, but otherwise, it's nice and clean. Washita Oilstone, thanks.